Welcome. In front of me is iPhone 11, and today I'll show you how to block a number. So, to block it, you want to open up the dialer, and assuming you have this number already in your recents, you can just tap here and find the number that you want to block. Tap on the information icon, and then it'll give you a general information about it, but at the bottom you will find block this caller. All you need to do is just tap here, confirm it, and now this number is blocked. So that is how you block a number. Now if you want to unblock it, you can always find this number and go basically the same way, but instead of tapping on block, you will now have unblocked this caller. All you need to do is just press it and it goes back, as you can see. So that is how you would add a number to Blacklist, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.